Every flight begins the same way. Not in the air, but here in the seat with a checklist. This is Abdurazzaq Abdullah, a licensed private pilot, flying a single-engine airplane out of a general aviation field. Fuel selector, mixture, throttle. Every switch has an order, and the order never changes. Taxi is slower than people expect. Walking pace with your feet on the rudder pedals, not the yoke. Run up complete. Engine instruments green, cleared for takeoff. Full power. The airplane does not leap into the sky. It accelerates and then it simply stops touching the ground. Climbing out at 75 knots, straight toward a wall of cumulus that is still building. Up here the air is smooth. Below the wing, the cloud tops move like slow water. Cruise is the quiet part. Heading, altitude, fuel. Scan the panel, scan outside, repeat. This is the view that makes pilots pilots. No window seat ever looks like this. Hands stay light. In smooth air, the airplane mostly flies itself. The pilot just keeps it honest. Descent begins early. Power back, nose down a few degrees, and the airport slowly grows in the windshield. Runway in sight. Reduce power, hold the center line, and let the airplane settle onto the numbers. Mains touch. Nose wheel down, clear of the runway at the next taxiway. One flight, start to finish. Thanks for flying with Aviation Lab.